Alright, so here is how to generate videos with Gemini. Now the first thing, I do not believe this option is available at the moment in the free version of Gemini. So you do have to have the Pro subscription. You see, I do have it. So you're gonna go to gemini.google.com. And if you just come here to the main chat and you ask Gemini to generate a video, it's going to tell you that it cannot. So for example, generate a video of a cat smiling. Okay, that's the prompt. Let's play submit. And it's telling me, I'm sorry, I'm unable to generate videos. I can generate an image of a cat smiling. Oh, that would be cool, but no thanks. Okay, so what you have to do, again, with the Pro subscription that I have here, you're gonna come to Tools, and you're gonna do Create Videos with Veo. Actually, before, let me just copy my prompt here. So I copied it. Okay, so let's come here down to Tools and Generate Videos with Veo. Start a new chat. If you do that, it's gonna start a new chat. Okay, no problems. Let's start a new chat. Now it's asking me, describe your video. So I'm gonna say, just pasted the prompt I had. Generate a video of a cat smiling. Okay, let's submit. And here is where it's going to think for a while. This might take a minute or two, so I'll cut this when I'm editing the video so you don't have to wait 2 minutes. Alright, your video is ready. Cute cat. Let's see. Let's play it. Oh, I have a symphony playing here. Sorry, let me turn it. Okay, that's super weird. I guess thanks for trying. That's not really a cat smiling. I will classify that one as a fail. I don't think the AI understands what a cat smiling in a video means. But another way that you can do this, you can add a photo. So yesterday I did this one. You can add a photo and then ask them to generate a video out of a photo. So let's do that with my cats. So I'm gonna click on add photo. Okay, so I have a photo of my cats. You see they are standing on top of the fridge. And then generate a video of my cats. I'm just gonna write. Okay, I did this before and it was very cute. The video that I got out of it is in my cat channel. I can link it below if you wanna go see it, but let's see what's gonna do now. Again, I'm gonna generate, it's gonna take 2 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it so you don't have to wait. Okay, oh, I'm creating a video based on the image of your cats. Your video is ready. Already find it funky. She has one eye open and another closed, but let's watch it. Let's watch again. I mean, it's not horrible. It's okay, I guess. Yeah, so you see you have a limit. You can generate 1 more video today. So I think the videos are a max of 8 seconds and you have a very low limit. Maybe if you have I don't know if there are different plans. My plan here is I get the storage. I have it because I store a lot of photos, so I need the extra storage space to store photos of my kids. But and then the access to Gemini Pro is included in the plan that I have. But yeah, 3 videos of 8 seconds. It's not a lot. It's still, you know, very, I would call it very rudimentary just because there's not much that you can do in 8 seconds. But yeah, that's the way to do it. So again, don't go and just prompt Gemini. You have to go to Tools and Create Videos with Veo. And that's the way to do it.